Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve the one more question on less than 500 rating question. So the question tells the story is given chef on date. Okay, chef and his girlfriend went on a date. Chef took a X dollar with him and was quite sure that this would be enough to pay the bill. Okay, so the chef was on a date and he took X dollar with him, and he was sure enough that he would able to pay the fee I mean sorry the spending. Okay, at the end the waiter bought the bill. Why? You just have to check whether he would be able to pay the bill or not. Okay, means if we have enough money, then you just have to print yes, and if it is not, then you just have to print the no. Okay, so here is given a four test case. The X is the amount of money that he bought, and the Y money that the Y money which has been the bill. Okay, and if it is, then you just have to print yes, and if it is not, then you just have to print the no. Okay, so let's take an example. So let's take an example. The four test cases given, which is 1 1, the X money and the Y. X Y 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 50,000, 50 and 1000. Okay, 50 sorry, it's 100. Okay, it's 100. So you just have to determine whether he would be able to pay the bill or not. Okay, so the bill amount is 1 and he has also 1, so yeah, he is able to pay the bill. The bill amount is 2 and the money he bought is 1, so he won't be able to pay the bill. So he bought 2 and the money bill is 1, so yeah, of course he would be able to pay the bill. Okay, in the same way there is 50 and 100, so he won't be able to pay the bill because it is greater than he bought the money. So let's do this. First you have to take the input from the user, which is t, sorry, the number of test cases you just have to take, and then c in t, and then you just have to check while t minus minus, you have to take the input from user, I mean user, which is x and y. Okay, and then you have to take the input c in x and c in y, and then you just have to check if x is greater than or equals to y, then you just have to do cout yes. Okay, else you have to pay, else cout no. Okay, else you just have to do cout no. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.